Morning, how's everyone? We're here with a review of the US markets, the US dollar, Bitcoin, oil, and gold. So, uh, big day for the markets. We are expecting a decision from the United States Supreme Court on the tariffs imposed by President Trump, and there is a possibility that the Supreme Court will knock those tariffs down, which is going to be a huge setback for President Trump, partly in economical terms and partly in political terms, because obviously that would mean that he would lose a great deal in terms of leverage, as stated by the Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent. Markets are in a bit of a holding pattern, awaiting these decisions, and obviously not to forget the non-farm payrolls report, which is expected in exactly 2 hours from now, at 1:30 p.m. UK time and 8:30 a.m. New York time, which is going to be the first credible data after the US government shutdown with regards to the state of the labor market. And it's expected that the data would show softening in the labor market, but would not be convincing enough for another rate cut in January, and that could trigger some volatility in the market. So be prepared for that. The trends in Bitcoin seem to be holding at the same time. It's holding around 90,000 mark. Oil prices are still climbing due to the geopolitical situation. Gold prices are also holding around the 44.80, 44.70 mark. And the euro prices are, the euro is weakening against the US dollar. The US dollar is gaining strength. However, that could all change with the non-farm payrolls report today. So, big day for the markets. All three markets seem to be holding pat. Not much movement up. There's more sideways movement in the Dow, the S&P 500, as well as the Nasdaq, and it's expected that that is how they will stay. My prediction today is that the non-farm payrolls are not going to be showing any conclusive data in terms of the softening of the labor market, and as a result, the markets will have a great deal of volatility. We will keep you posted as the report comes through.